Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKee again with Net 226. Today I'm going to be going over Packet Tracer 5.1.9, which is configured named standard IPv4 ACLs or ACLs. All right, if you look at my workspace for Packet Tracer, I only have one router connecting 4 local area networks, and the addressing table pretty much. This must be a newer router. All right, but anyways, there's the addressing table, file server, web server. You got a web manager there, web server over here, file manager. All right, so let's get started. All right, so Senior Network Administrator has asked you to create a standard named ACL to prevent access to a file server. The file server contains the database for the web applications. Only the web manager, workstation PC1, and the web server need access to the file server. All other traffic to the file server should be denied. All right, so configure and apply named standard ACL. All right, verify connectivity before ACL is configured and applied. All 3 workstations should be able to ping both the web server and file server. All right, so let's ping both of them. And they're right there, so let's do this. 168, 200, 100. And first, I should time out. Okay, that one's good. Let's go down to web server is, just change that to a 1. Alright, so that works fine. Let's try PC. Well, PC is 0. Let's try that one. Alright, ping 192.168.200.100. You know what? I'm going to copy this. Copy. Alright, try to ping that. Pinging that perfectly. Alright, change that to a 100. Getting replies from that. Let's try PC2. Let's paste that in. Alright, replies from the file server, and then finally the web server. Alright. So all those are good. Alright, so configure a named standard ACL. Configure the following named ACL in R1. And it's going to be named file server restrictions, permit host 20.4, which should be PC1. Permit host 100.100, which is the web server. So you should be able to go there, and you should be able to go here, but not here, not there. All right, and that's very restrictive, doing it by just the IP address, and then deny any others. All right, so let's go to R1. And let's see, in 1841. All right, let's hit enter. Configure terminal. All right, so IP address access list standard file server restrictions. All right, notice right here, for scoring purposes, the ACL name is case sensitive and the statements must be in the same order as shown. Yeah, if you do them out of order, sometimes it messes up the grading in Packet Tracer. All right, and you see how that standard network actually configs standard network access control list, or NACL. All right, so permit host 192.168.20.4, and then permit host 192.168.100.100. Okay. Deny any. Okay. Pretty straightforward there. All right. Use the show access list command to verify the contents of the access list before applying it to an interface. Make sure you have not mistyped any IP addresses and the statements are in the correct order. So let's do a do show access. All right, so permit host 192.168.20.4, that's fine. 192.168.100.100 and deny any. Okay. Apply the ACL outbound on fast Ethernet 01 interface. All right, there's fast Ethernet 01 interface. All right, so let's exit out of this. All right, IP access. Oh, I'm sorry, we got to do our interface. Interface F. What is it? F01. Okay, IP access group file. Server. All right, save the configuration, copy RS. Copy running. Okay, that's saved. All right, verify the ACL configuration application to the interface. Let's do a show access lists. All right, there's our access lists. Show IP interface F01. All right. Outgoing access list. So block information coming out, not information coming in, but out. All right. All three workstations should be able to ping the web server, but only PC1 and web server should be able to ping the file server. Repeat the show IP list command to see the number of packets that matched each statement. All right, so let's shorten it up a little bit. Let's see if we can ping. PC1 should be able to the file server 200.100. All right, so it can ping it. PC0 cannot ping it. Web server desktop can ping it. And let's do PC2. All right, so pretty much we know that's set correctly. All right, repeat the show access list command to see the number of packets that matched each statement. So let's do Control C, show access lists. All right. So 4 matches from that one and 4 matches for this one. All right, deny any. 8 matches. All right. So pretty much all you need to say, submit for this is your .pka file and your results showing your name right there. All right, that's it. Pretty quick. Thanks for watching.